Hello everyone, the TCG Leafeon here again, and I'm here with another pack opening. I went down to my local shop and I got some packs of Darkness Ablaze and some Battle Styles. I got 5 of each. Let's go ahead and crack these packs and see what I get. We're going to start with Darkness Ablaze. The one card I really went out of this set is the Grim Snarl. It's one of my favorites. Okay, our code card is here. Go ahead and redeem that. Let me know what you get down below. We got 4 from the back. Okay, let's see here. We got Fletchling, Wimpod, Grimer, Clink, Ducklet. Our energy is a fighting energy. Solrock, Steenie, Old PC. Our reverse is a Skitty. That's a very nice art for that. And our rare is an Excavalier. I like my bug Pokemon, so that's a good pull in my opinion. Okay, here's what Grimmsnarl looks like, and this is the card I'm going for. Let's hope we can get it. Okay, let's see here. Here's the code. Let me know what you get down below. 4 from the back. Okay, we got Wishy-Washy, Pansage, Tauros, Diglett, Squovit. Our energy is a Psychic energy. We got the Struggle Gloves, Clank, Dartrix, good evolution line right there. Staravia is our reverse foil, and our rare is a Thievul. Okay, next pack. There's the code. Okay, we got 4 from the back and 2. We have Shelmet, Panpour, Teddiursa, Rickety, Torchic. Our energy is a Steel energy. Piers is our trainer card, a trainer card. Vanillish, Shitonic. Our reverse is a Carablast, and our rare, is a full art Rose. Very, very nice. Very pretty card. Let's go ahead and sleeve that bad boy up. We're going to put him back there with Zamazenta. Okay, next pack. Come on. Okay, there's the code card. 4 from the back. We got Purloin, Starly, Aron, Cubchoo, Rowlet, my personal favorite starter. We got a Fire Energy, Spikemouth Gym, Cape of Toughness, Vibrava. Our reverse is a Rickety, and our rare is a Wigglytuff. Okay, last pack of Darkness Ablaze. Oh, whoops. Sticking back there. There's the code card. Okay, we got 4. Okay, we got Ducklet, Mareep, Paris, Gothita. Oh, I messed up the card trick in there somewhere. Our rare is a Scizor V. Good. We'll sleeve that up in a second. We got a Water Energy, Carnivine, Big Parasol. There's the Piers card that got stuck earlier. Skarmory, and Glimwood Tingles are reversed. Let's go ahead and sleeve up this Scizor real quick. It must have gone messed up when that card stuck. My bad. We'll go ahead and stick that back there in front of Ivysaur. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and get into the new set, the Battle Styles here. We'll do Empoleon first. Okay. Oh, there's the code card. 2, 3, 4, 2. So then we have Corphish, Timber, Baltoy, Sizzlipede, Mankey. Our energy is a Grass energy, Rapid Strike energy, Cheryl, Dual Blade. Our reverse is a adorable Galarian Slowpoke. Look at that. And our rare is a Vivillon. Okay, next pack. Okay, there's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. Okay, we got Shinx, Houndour, Pawniard, Cubone, Remoraid. Our energy is a fighting energy. We have Alexio, Grumpig, Escape Rope. Sandaconda is our reverse, and it is a rare. And our rare in the pack, is a Full Art Stoutland V. Very nice card indeed. I like the art on it. Go ahead and sleeve that up real quick. I'll sit over here by Pichu. Okay, next pack we got Tyranitar. Okay, there's the code. Okay, we got Esper, Frillish, Roly-Coly, Spoink, Cacnea. Our energy is an electric energy. We have Heatmore, Honchkrow, Camping Gear. Our reverse is a Buffalant, and our rare is, whoa, we got a Full Art Urshifury VMAX Single Strike. I was like, did we just pull that out of an Urshifury pack too? But no, we didn't. That would have been really cool though. Go ahead and set this over here by Raichu. Go ahead and get those up there. Clear away the trash. Okay, 2 more packs. Okay, there's the code. Okay, there we go. We got Pachirisu, Cherubi, Mawile. Ooh, I like that art for Mawile. Onyx, Remoraid. Our energy is a darkness energy. We got Gliscor, Golbat, Tool Jammer. Ooh, reverse Crobat, which is also a rare. And our rare of the pack is a foil Orbeetle. Go ahead and sleeve that up. We'll go ahead and set that over here. Might sleeve up this Crobat too because I really like it. Sit it right there next to the Orbeetle. Okay, we got our last pack here. Okay, there's the code. And again, if you redeem those, let me know what you get down below. I'm always interested because I stopped playing a long time ago when I started collecting more of the cards. Okay, we got Sizzlipede, Mankey, Pawniard, Blipbug, Shinx. We have an electric energy. We got Perugly. Ooh, some EXP share. Weeping Bell. Our reverse is a Honedge, and our rare is a Crobat, and it's a holo. Go ahead and sleeve that up, and we'll put that with the other Crobat. So our pulls for our good pulls for today, we got these, and then most notable, we got these 4. Whoops, just let me drop the Full Art Trainer there. We got Chairman Rose, Scizor V, Full Art Stoutland V, and a Full Art Single Strike Urshifu VMAX. Very nice art right there. Let me know down below if you guys have a favorite on which one your art is. Also, let me know if you like the layout changes. I like getting creative with it. And I hope to see you all next time. Bye.